Hello guys, I think you are doing good in your life and I am going to add some information in your account. The information is from IIT Gandhinagar and they have announced early admission in MTech program and they have given two eligibility criteria and two declaration dates. The first is application, last date of application is 20th of February and you are going to get the selected candidate list from IIT Gandhinagar site on 27th of February. And second thing is that eligibility criteria, anyone who is from IITs, NITs or selected colleges, they can apply. Only thing is that you have to find out whether your college is in the list of selected colleges if you are not from NIT or IIT. And there is some eligibility criteria in that also. That is, if you are from IIT and you are passed out from your college at on 2020 or you are going to pass out at 2021, definitely you can apply. Only thing is that you have to take care that whether you are on the eligibility criteria list or not. So everything is mentioned properly in IIT Gandhinagar site. I am mentioning the IIT Gandhinagar site in one PPT that is attached in the comment section. In addition to this, whatever the things that you required for filling up the form, I am mentioning everything. Go through the PPT that I am attaching with this particular video in the comment section, and all the best students. I think you are coming up with bright colors. Thank you everyone.